Hello students, in this session we are going to discuss centrosome and centrioles. Generally, centrosome is a cell organelle which contain two cylindrical centrioles. So, centrosome is a cell organelle which contain two cylindrical centrioles. So, these centrioles are covered by amorphous pericentriolar material. For example, these two are the centrioles in a centrosome and they are covered by pericentriolar material. So this is pericentriolar material. So within the centrosome, the centrioles are arranged perpendicular to each other and each one have cartwheel-like structure. So they are arranged perpendicular to each other. In centrosome, centrioles are arranged perpendicular to each other. So centrioles are arranged in perpendicular to each other and each one has an cartwheel-like structure. So each one has an cartwheel-like structure. So centrosome is a cell organelle which contain two cylindrical centrioles. These centrioles are surrounded by pericentriolar material. The centrioles lie perpendicular to each other. Centrioles lie perpendicular to each other and with each one has the cartwheel-like structure. So they look like wheel, cartwheel-like structure. So the electron microscopic study of the centriole shows that it contains 9 evenly placed microtubule structures. These are arranged in the form of triplets. So this is the centriole. This centriole contains 9 triplets. So these are the evenly placed triplets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So in the center there is a proteinaceous hub. In the center of the centriole there is a proteinaceous hub. So this peripheral triplets of microtubules, they are connected to each other with linkers. So each microtubule is connected to each other with linkers. And this peripheral triplets of microtubules, also connected to central hub through the radial spokes. So these are the radial spokes, they are connecting to central hub. So these are the proteinaceous radial spokes. So this type of arrangement is known as 9+0 array. Why it is called as 9+0 array? Because the central microtubules are absent in this. So these centrioles are found in the animal cells. Usually centrioles form basal body of cilia and flagella, and they also form spindle fiber. So during the cell division, spindle fibers attached to kinetochores of the centromere and they help in the splitting of the chromosomes into chromatids. So this cilia is important for the movement of the fluids as well as the cell and flagella is important for the movement of the cell. So they are arised from basal body formed by the centriole. So centriole also form spindle fiber which will be useful during the cell division. So centrosome, it is a cell organelle which contain two cylindrical centrioles. These centrioles are covered by pericentriolar material. So centrioles in centriosome are arranged in a perpendicular manner and each one has the cartwheel-like structure. Generally, when you look at the structure of the centriole, it contains radially arranged triplets of microtubules, total in 9 in number. So they are arranged peripherally. The peripheral microtubules are connected to each other by linkers. In the center, there is a proteinaceous hub. So the hub connects to the peripheral triplets of microtubule with radial spokes. These radial spokes also made up of proteins. So it will show 9 plus 0 array. And this cilia forms the basal body spindle fibers. So this basal body forms cilia and flagella. Spindle fiber is useful for the cell division. So this is all about centrosome and centrioles.